Hey, into Ghana, be bianya ne Isaiah politics, be bianya ne Isaiah politics. Abaya, into a batan, no near year, no more wage and won't kunum no any wamba with fear. No what Zemrika wake no police station, the watch Bishop Obin him there, Wajo bin gold, into Sawan J Bishop Obin ma warrant to abad a mafia ye wumi. Abai into our batan na ijina police station ni bwe one rare kadamasam na cancel ya ube besiaba no biacha no gold no zaka chira no software aya na daraga waje fininsema ncha awo batan ni ijina wire kasa no desa dama afi ye womiaro nto abo sanda waachi Bishop Obinma na ncha awo maami ncha obaya wadawa ncha wo hia dunala ncha wa agbaadze abayai bibianya ne Isaiah politics wagana bibianya ne Isaiah politics wagana. What is wrong with us Ghanaians? Me ya Ghana nyiba mapa, so I have every right to share my opinion.